Wally Bayola sinugod bahay ng mga Dabark ads. Netizens nagulat sa kalagayan ni Wally ngayon. Showtime at Eat Bulaga hindi na magtatapat sa noontime. Showtime ililipat na. Talaga namang umani ng iba't ibang mga reaksyon ang post ng ABS-CBN News, patungkol na sa paglipat ng timeslot ng ASAP, at ginawa na nga itong 5:30 PM. Na may caption ng, ASAP XP, take on a new timeslot starting May 17, 2026, catch your weekly dose of music, fun and performance every Sunday at 5:30 PM. Na tila hindi man tinapatan ng ASAP XP ang Vibe PH ng TV5, ay kapansin-pansin na ginawa na ring panghapon ng ABS-CBN ang ASAP gaya ng Vibe, na napapanood naman ng live tuwing Sabado 6:15 PM, at may weeknights naman ng 11:30 PM, at Vibe playback ng Sunday 12 PM. Na mababasa naman nga sa isang article mula Inquirer.net na, Philippine Variety Show ASAP rebrands with new time slot. Longest-running Philippine musical variety show, ASAP, is set to move to a new time slot as it rebrands into ASAP XP, marking a major shift from its decades-long noontime airing. The show's official social media pages announced on Saturday, May 2, that viewers can catch the biggest at brightest Filipino concert experience on primetime, as the program moves to Sundays at 5:30 PM beginning May 17. It will air on ABS-CBN platforms including All TV, A2Z, and Kapamilya Channel, with streaming available via Kapamilya Online Live and I1 TFC. The shift coincides with the program's rebranding to ASAP XP, which will debut with the televised broadcast of its concert held at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. The move will see the show leave the Sunday noontime slot on May 10 after 31 years, ending one of the longest-running time blocks in Philippine television. Over the years, the program has undergone several scheduling changes. In February 2016, it moved to an earlier 11:45 AM slot with an extended runtime of 2 hours and 45 minutes. In April 2020, amid the COVID-19 pandemic, ASAP Natin To shortened its airtime to 1 hour and temporarily aired at 2:30 PM, occupying the slot of Banana Sunday. The May 3, 2020 episode marked its last broadcast in that time slot before the shutdown of ABS-CBN's free-to-air stations. The show later returned to free television on October 11, 2020 via A2Z Channel 11, under a block time agreement with Zoe Broadcasting Network, resuming its traditional 12 PM time slot. Pero, dahil lilipat naman nga ang ASAP ng 5:30 PM, ay ano nga ba ang papalit sa time slot nito? Ito din nga ang naging tanong sa isang article mula Balita MB, na mababasa naman nga ang headline dito na, What will be on at 12 PM? ASAP XP moved time slot now at 5:30 PM. Dagdag pa nga dito na, it garnered mixed reactions and comments from netizens, especially solid Kapamilya viewers, when ABS-CBN announced that starting May 17, their longest-running musical noontime show, ASAP, will be called ASAP XP, Gen Z term for experience, and will be moved to 5:30 PM, from the usual 12 PM noon. Welcome back mga ka-highlights. Bago tayo magpatuloy ay maaaring mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod pang videos, at paki-like na rin ang video, share at mag-comment na rin. Maraming salamat po. According to posts on ABS-CBN social media platforms, the massive sold-out concert will be broadcast at the Smart Araneta Coliseum starting May 17, in primetime. Catch the biggest at brightest Filipino concert experience on primetime, can be read in the post. The celebration continues with your favorite Kapamilya stars on ASAP XP, on its new time slot, Sundays, 5:30 PM starting May 17. ASAP XP can be watched on various platforms such as All TV, A2Z, Kapamilya Channel, as well as Kapamilya Online Live and I1. Pero, may mga usap-usapan naman ngang ang papalit sa timeslot ng ASAP ng 12 PM tuwing Sunday, ay ang Showtime. Pero kung mangyayari nga ito, ay ano naman ang papalit sa timeslot ng Showtime, at posible nga ba itong mangyari? Ayon sa isang article mula Inquirer.net, ay pinabulaanan na nga daw ng Showtime na sila ang papalit sa timeslot ng ASAP tuwing linggo. Na mababasa nga dito ang headline na, "It's Showtime, then Nice taking over ASAP's noontime slot." Dagdag pa nga dito, na the creators of It's Showtime, clarified that it won't be taking over the Sunday noontime slot, after it was confirmed that ASAP will air in the afternoon, starting on May 17. It's Showtime's social media platforms confirmed on Saturday, May 2, that it will maintain its airing schedule, based on the caption of its Facebook profile picture and cover photo. It's Showtime, Mondays to Saturdays, 12 noon. Sundays, pahinga po kami, it's posts read. The posts are in response to netizens who speculated that the Vice Ganda-led noontime show would replace ASAP on the noontime slot. However, ABS-CBN has yet to announce which show will take over. ASAP made headlines after ABS-CBN confirmed that it will rebrand as ASAP XP, and will air at 5:30 PM starting on May 17. Naayon nga dito, ay nilinaw nga daw ng Showtime na hindi sila ang papalit sa timeslot na mawawala kapag lumipat na ng 5:30 PM ang ASAP. Pero, ayon din naman dito, ay wala pa din namang announcement kung ano ang papalit sa timeslot ng ASAP. Samantala, nagtuloy-tuloy pa nga ang birthday celebration ni Dalbark Adds Wally pagkatapos niyang mag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday sa Itbulaga noong Sabado, May 2, 2026, na kung saan ay unang beses nga nating makita si Wally pagkatapos ng kanyang operasyon. Na napag-usapan na rin naman natin. Na hindi pa nga natapos dyan ang pa-surprise ng mga Dalbark Adds, dahil bumisita naman ang ilan sa mga Dalbark Adds kay Wally, para e-surprise naman ito. Na makikita nga yan sa Facebook post ni Maine, na may caption ngang, "Today's Sugod Bahay Squad. Surprise, surprise. Happy birthday, Walter James." Na makikita ngang kasama dito sina Dalbark Adds Maine, Miles, Alan K, Paulo, Riza May at Ian Red. At kahit wala naman dito si Mayor Jose, ay makikitang may standee naman dito si Mayor Jose, kaya naman ay nakumpleto pa rin ang Jowo Pau dahil sa standee. At dahil ayon kay Wally sa Itbulaga noong Sabado, May 2, ay ilang buwan pa nga daw niyang hindi pwedeng ilapat sa sahig ang kanyang naoperahang paa, kaya naman ay makikita naman nga dito na nakapatong muna ang binti nito. At dahil nga sa ginawang ito ng mga Dalbark Adds, ay talaga namang umani nga ito ng iba't ibang mga reaksyon mula sa mga netizens. Samantala, ano naman ang mga masasabi nyo patungkol sa mga napag-usapan natin sa video na ito?